Hi, and today we'll work on the problem which is based on the mixing of pure oxygen and air. So what we are gonna do is, here we have our question. So pure oxygen is mixed with air to produce an enriched air containing 50 volume percent of oxygen. The ratio of the moles of air to oxygen used is. So in this case, let us draw a diagrammatical representation of this problem. So here we have mixed pure oxygen and air to produce oxygen plus air, and here the volume percentage of oxygen in the product is 50 volume percent, and if we assume that these gases are ideal, then this volume percent will become equal to mole percent. So we can write this as 50 mole percent of oxygen. And now we have to find out the moles of air divided by the pure moles of oxygen. And now what we need to do is, if you write the material balance, if you take basis as 100 moles of product, that is 100 moles of O2 plus air. So we can write this equation as pure oxygen plus air is equal to 100 moles, and if we take the balance for oxygen, then as here we have pure oxygen, so this will be 100 upon 100 times oxygen, plus in air we have 21% of oxygen, so this will be 21 upon 100 into air, which will be equal to, here we have oxygen as 50 mole percent, so this will be 50 upon 100. Inside the bracket this will be oxygen plus air. And now from this, let's call this equation number 1, let's call this equation number 2. From this equation we know that O2 plus air is 100 moles, as we have taken the basis as 100 moles. So here we have oxygen plus 0.21 times air, which is equal to 0.50 times 100. So let's call this equation number 3. And from equation number 1 we can write this equation as, this is pure, so pure oxygen plus 0.21 times air can be written as 100 minus pure oxygen. So this is 100 minus pure oxygen, which is equal to 0.50 times 100. We can calculate this value. Let me take my calculator. So if we substitute these values in our calculator, so we'll get x plus 0.21 times 100 minus pure oxygen is equal to 0.50 times 100, and we'll get pure oxygen used is 36.7088 moles. And if you put this value in this equation, we will get the moles of air used, so we'll get 36.7088 plus x is equal to 100 moles. So air used is equal to 63.2912 moles, but we need to calculate the ratio of moles of air to moles of oxygen. So this will be 63.2912 over 36.7088. so this will be equal to 63.2912 divided by 36.7088. the answer is 1.7241. So thank you for watching this video.